Oh, sumuro kang bat.
Oh, tsaka bear.
Oh, parang nga. Sa customer tsaka sa'yo. Alright, nice one.
Alright, sorry din.
Ano? Feeling. Bah, testing, tol. Lo, grabe siya, hindi pa nito susukat eh. Ay, maganda pa mas malibot tayo na yan. Aray ko, yun mo yung pasave ka.
Isusot ko nga sa Morocco.
Alright.
Thank you, Mayora.
Thank you, Mayora. Aray ko. Tayo na sakit. Ay, ka.
Ilalagay kita sa plastic ng buhay.
Alright. Dalawang pares para sa kanya tsaka sa kliyente.
So,
Hop. What's that? What's that?
warning. Hindi ko bumuksan.
Okay.
Hindi ko.
Hop.
Ganito ulit.
Bidet. Ay. Apat nga pala yun, no? Apat na pirasong
Sa buho.
hook. And
Ito ay kinemerut.
wax. Powdered.
Hindi.
Ano?
Ganyan.
Ay, ano yan? Ah, wax yan, di ba? Oh, wax yan.
Ewan ko.
Quality wax yan.
Lagyan mo dyan.
Okay. Unboxing by Mr. Fernan. Uy! Snappy. Oh, dalawang piraso.
Yan lang
Hop.
yan lahat. Ano ba ito?
Surprise.
I think it's a poster. Yeah. This is fully poster. It's all
So what you mean?
now.
Post it in what? Oh my.
Here.
Wow.
Actually,
It's nice, huh?
I don't know how to use that.
Yeah.
It's here in the right. It's open.
Yeah. Dito yung hose.
Oh, later. I
Oh.
don't know how to make it.
Maganda rin yan.
Just
Oh,
put
pa.
it back.
Kasi nag-ano na ba yun? Naglilik na, no? May leak
This
na.
one is it's
Orokan.
old.
Old like
Like the other
Old.
person's left.
grabe siya.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all for tonight.
Wala na.
And that's it. Signing off by Mr. Ferdinand.